I'll give you a quick repair video for the sleeves. I did one of these before, but it was in pretty bad shape, so I've got one here that has just one hole in it, which is more likely one you can save. If you don't fill it, your Autoblow will fill with lube and be all nasty. So it's important to plug those holes. Nothing seems to stick to the material, but I took a piece of same material from an old sleeve. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to flatten it on one side while it's stuck through, and then turn it right side out and flatten that side. And with it flat on both sides, it can't come out of there. It won't stick to it, but it'll hold water, so that'll work. Anyway, it's a brand new sleeve. How on earth I got a hole in it already? So what I'm going to do first, the torch here. Okay, we're going to heat this up, and I think I'll just flatten this on one side before I even put it in there. That way I don't hit this on the material and make another hole. If this is really hot and you touch it to that, it'll eat right through there, so you got to be really careful. So let's see, what do I have to hold that with? Let's see. Well, I can just hold it like that. Okay, got it a little hot. See if I got it hot enough. Oh, yeah. It melts like butter. Whew, hot, 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 hot. Don't drip it on your hand. Okay, let's put it down here. And we're going to set it right on top. Just melt it nice and flat. Ooh. Alright. Let it cool a sec. Here's our hole. So, I'm going to keep that flat side on this side. And gently put it through the hole. Just push it in there. Get in there pretty good. A little bit on the side. Okay, there's plenty on the other side now. Well, I'm going to heat this up one more time. Just kind of melt it down flat. See, that stuff will burn too. Watch out, see, it'll drip. Certainly don't want to drip it on anything that'll burn, or your hand, or cloth, your shirt. Well, that'll be good and hot. I'll put it out, huh? Woo! Try not to touch the other material. Enough? So we need to heat it up a little bit more. The spoon works well. Good way to clean your putty knife too. Oop. See, I got a big hole there. Very careful. good there. Let's go get this over here. Well, that looks pretty good. So got a little bit over here. See? Heat it up a little bit more. That looks pretty good. It's not the most perfect looking thing, but definitely plugged that hole. Keep your Autoblow clean inside. I'm going to give that a minute to cool down. Here, we'll jiggle it. That's